Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower yesterday. Weather remains the driving force to the downside. Weather seen as positive here in the U.S. There are some factors overseas, such as China and the European Union grain belt. They're getting some hot temperatures, so that's something to keep your eye on as well. But right now, here at home, weather has been favorable for crop conditions. Got some showers rolling through the Midwest today. We actually got rain here in Chicago this morning, and while there aren't any crops on LaSalle Street, it is rolling through other parts of the Midwest, so that should be beneficial. We also had unemployment released this morning, actually dropped to 7.4%, and that's the lowest it's been in 4 years. With that said, labor force participation rate also fell, and jobs added on non-farm payrolls weren't as high as expected, so we got the S&P a little lower this morning based on that. Moving forward today, we do need to keep our eye on the overseas weather, but the market's mainly going to trade what's going on here at home. And here at home in the United States, we are getting more favorable rains and cooler temperatures. As such, markets are lower. We've been mixed this morning. Corn is a little lower, wheat's a little higher, and soybeans are a little higher as well. So we've had a mixed morning so far. We could see some short cover rallying on Friday, which is today, due to the fact that obviously the markets have sold off as much as they have. But weather remains favorable, so I imagine the trend will remain down. So with that said, that's all we've got for today. Have a great weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.